Could you explain how the stress test works to people out there?
Yeah, so I mean, when we talk about people thinking that the norm was closer to the 2% range, that's when the stress test kind of came into play, and the idea was for anybody that was buying around that time, we wanted to make sure that when that mortgage did come up for renewal, that they weren't going to be in financial distress. So the way the stress test works is that we tack on 2% onto whatever your contract rate is. So at the time, let's say you were getting a rate at 2%, you had to qualify for a payment of 4%. And that hasn't changed. So today, if we're talking about a 5% rate, you have to qualify for 7. And that's to ensure that when these people are getting themselves into a mortgage, that by the time it comes up for renewal, hopefully they're still going to be able to make those payments. So I guess the big difference is now that was brought in to protect Canadians when rates were really low, because I guess we could all agree at that time that rates weren't going to stay that low for this long. And I guess a hot topic right now is the fact that we are at higher rates and we're still tacking on the 2%. So, right now it seems very, very conservative to be doing. But, I guess the thought process is that at any given point in time, we want to make sure that people aren't just stretched for that period in time, but they're going to be good for the long haul as well.
Right. And I guess that's why the conservative approach, that's why the Canadian banking system is respected as one of the best in the world.
Absolutely. So I've been doing this for 23 years now. The last 13 have been with RBC, but I was with the red team prior to coming over to RBC. So I've been doing this quite a while.